Hello friends, how do you hope you are fine? So in this video we will learn about health emergency system in C. So these are the header files that are required for this project, and this is the structure of our node. Okay, our node contain ID, name, gender, address, okay, and the next pointer which indicate which patient come at next. Okay, so we implement it using a priority queue data structure. Okay, and this is our head which indicate which patient need to be checked at first, and at current we add a new patient. Okay, so there are two type of patients, normal patients and emergency patients. Okay, so you can see we create a new node here. Okay, and we allocate the memory on the size of node. Okay, and this is used for typecasting. Okay, so here I create a new node, and if our head is null, so we simply point head and current to that particular node. Okay, and we store the data. Okay, the new patient ID will be this ID that we pass using this parameter. Okay, and str copy is used to copy the string. Okay, same like here the new patient ID. Okay, we simply copy the data, okay, to this pointer, and then we move current, okay, to the next pointer. You can see we will add a new node, we add the reference. Okay, at current next we add the new patient node. Okay, and then we move current to the new patients. Okay, so it's create a link between previous and the newly inserted node. Okay, same like that we initialize the memory. Okay, and if our head is null, same like that. Okay, so this is this function used to out the patient. Okay, so we simply move head to its next pointer. Okay, and then simply see out the data, printf. Okay, so this is our main function. Okay, here it's the logo. Okay, these statements will print the logo, and then here I create a while true loop, and this is our menu. So we will ask the patient. Okay, sorry, it will ask for like if you want to add normal, serious, okay, display, patients, and checkup. Okay, so 5 are exit. So we simply call these functions. Okay, so now I run this program and show you the working of this program. So you can see I print health emergency system here. Okay, and then first of all I press 1 to add normal patient. Okay, so now I have to enter the ID like 323. Okay, name is Bilal, gender male, and address is Gujranwala. Then I have to display. Okay, so when I press 3 it will display all the information about patient. Okay, so this is the patient number. Okay, patient number 1, this is the ID like that. Okay, now I add a serious patient. Okay, emergency patient. So what's the ID? 123, name Ali, gender male, address Atok. Now when I display it, okay, I press 3, you can see Ali is our emergency patient. Okay, so it come at the top. Okay, now when I press check top patient. Okay, so when I press 4, you can see this patient leave. Okay, and then when I press 4, this patient leave. When I press 4, no patient found. Okay, so when I press 5, exit program. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel for more informative videos.